start with candidate number one. Please stand for the I want to show you the action that is really easy to do
because I can easily accommodate for other people rather than to myself. And I'm the person that's helping.
Based on your unforgettable experience, what was the intense feeling that you felt when you were informed that your father has just passed away?
For the question, and good evening to everyone. Yes, I have a lot of experiences where I can prove that if I treasure something, it's followed by good thought. My relationship with God is the most perfect one for me. I always treasuring all the gifts of God for me. And if you ask me, where is the good thought here? Well, I know that God is always there for me. And that is the best thought that always following me. That's all. Thank you. And good evening.
That was candidate number 10. Our last candidate, Filipino Calvary.
Let me inform all the time. Looks like I'm in heaven with I'm with you.
Thank you, candidate number one. Let's move on to candidate number two, Mr. Ralph Ivan Rentilio. Your special skills are dancing and playing guitar. Can you now execute your best dancing move?
I will show you how to dance gracefully, like a pilot. DJ, music please.
Thank you, candidate number two. That's a very nice move. Let's go on candidate number three, Mr. Dean R.B. Elba. How will you convince other people that in your modern life is do always what you want is right? Do the right things that you want to improve yourself.
Last year, we have our subject, quality control. And with that subject, I instantly made my motto in life, which is do always what you want is right. When I do things that is right, I imparting it to others. That's all. Thank you.
Very well said, candidate number three. Now let's move on to candidate number four, Mrs. Cyril L. Robles. Your special skills are playing guitar and drums. At what age were you already inclined to play drums and guitar?
At young age of 12, I have been inclined playing guitar and playing drums. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, candidate number four. Now let's go on for candidate number five, Mr. Robert B. De La Fuente. You like rap music and you don't like reggae funk sound. Can you please distinguish the difference between reggae funk sound from rap music? Because based on your information sheet, you're fond of listening rap music rather than reggae funk sound.
Thank you, Ms. Pearl, for that very beautiful question. The difference between the reggae and rap music is that the reggae is like a slow jazz with a smooth flow of music, while rap music producing loud sounds, and they make use of shouting, screaming to add in the essence of rap music. In addition, rap music makes me feel more alive than reggae. And rock music really inspires me to be a better man. That's all. Thank you.
Very well, that's candidate number 5. Now let's move on to candidate number 6, Mr. Randall Zuniga Latino. What particular Filipino food do you like most? Can you please tell us the method of how it is being cooked?
Good evening. I'd like to eat Filipino food, but I can cook them. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, let's move on to candidate number 7. Remo A. Lorejo. What are those simple things you previously repair? Because from what I've read in your information sheet, you can repair minor cell phone disorder.
Good evening. I repaired minor cell phone damage like a broken switch or a cell phone with no signal. And sooner or later, I might repair a complicated one. Thank you very much. Let's go.
Thank you, candidate number 7, Mr. Remo A. Lorejo. Now let's move on to candidate number 8, Mr. John Dave M. Almeida. You dislike persons who have unpleasant attitudes. Have you encountered persons with bad attitudes? And if you have encountered, how did you cope up?
Yes. In my own unique way, I can be an instrument to make people change their attitude to a nice character. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you, candidate number 8. Now let's call on our last candidate, Mr. Michael Jason M. Santo Domingo. In your desire to finish your studies, what are your measures to really achieve it?
My measures to achieve it, I will follow my parents' advice, and most of all, study hard is my first priority, and I will show respect not only for myself, also to everyone, to achieve my goal and to fulfill my dreams. My family and my God is my inspiration. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number